Hi, Vibha. Good morning. You're on mute, Vibha. You're on mute. No worries, no worries. So, Vibha, how long have you been with inner parenting?
I've been associated with the inner parenting for as far as 6 months now, and it has been such an incredible, beautiful journey.
Yeah, thank you so much. So, what was the problem you were dealing with before you found me or the inner parenting? I mean, before knowing that there is inner parenting, what was that problem which you were
I
looking
think the
solution for?
biggest problem was that I was not aware that I have a problem. I was not
Okay.
aware that my life could be so better, so clear, so simplified. And I came through my kids' tantrums, but I realized I have a lot of problems within, and that was something I was not aware of.
So, how did that problem, like you were not knowing, but how you were feeling in your day-to-day life? Were
I
you
was
like,
feeling overwhelmed. I was feeling unloved, unheard of, and I just felt I was giving and giving and never receiving anything.
all the time it was a giver mode on?
Yeah, it was more of a sacrificial mode on that I was just giving but not accepting or not thinking that I was deserving of receiving something.
So when you joined inner parenting, can you describe how we worked, right? How we worked and how the things shifted for you?
I think the most important aspect for me is it is such a safe, non judgmental space. I was able to voice out my innermost feelings without any hesitation because I felt really comfortable. And we work on very grassroots levels, like no feeling is dismissed, no emotions are left out, that it's not really important, it's not realistic. Everything is felt 100%. And that is how I could actually feel heard, and it really helped me in voicing my opinions, in working on my feelings within myself.
So what about that 21 confidence booster challenge? Did it help?
it
I
it
mean,
did really. Yes, it was something that we think karna hoga to ho jayega, but we never really have that courage to actually do it. So more about taking the action and not thinking that I can do it.
and what about the monthly challenges? Like every month we do some or the other challenge. So do you feel those are very helpful to be in that energy and zone and to move forward?
Yes, I do feel like every Tuesday is my energy recharge. I need to come in this space to get that energy boost. And every month we are working on a different aspect of in towards the spectrum. And it is more of an onion peeling that we're not really aware कि वहाँ पर भी इतना काम हो सकता है and how it really impacts all the other sides. So we think it is very little, but the impact is very big.
Wow, that's that. Thank you so much for that. So, Vibha, how are things better for you now that we have been together from a couple of months? Like how your overwhelm is, how in different areas you can, tell a little bit about how the things have improved, what exact things have happened for you.
First of all, I've started loving myself more. I'm more compassionate and kind towards my own self. And uska ripple effect is obviously to the both people around me. I have a much better and simpler relationship with my kid. I thought it was his tantrums, but it was more of my mismanagement towards him. My relationship with my spouse has greatly improved. And I am working on my holistic health in terms of my physical endurance, my mental well-being, and also a lot of spiritual insights I've gained after these sessions. So it has been an overall clarity of life. I have a more bigger purpose in my life, which I can now feel called towards.
So, if you want to define now the new Vibha is, I mean, how Vibha was, in if you want to describe 3 words or 2 words maybe, and now what Vibha is.
Vibha is self-loving,
Amazing.
and earlier she was underconfident.
Kudos. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much, Vibha. Hi, Vishali. Very good
Hi,
morning.
hi, I'm good.
So,
Good morning.
good morning. So Vishali, we just wanted to know how long have you been with inner parenting?
It's 5 to 6 months exactly.
6 months. So, and what was the problem you were dealing with before you found me or anything about inner parenting?
ऐसा लगता था कि बस प्रॉब्लम 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 में दिख रही है, कोई सोल्यूशन पता ही नहीं है। मतलब हो भी सकता है, ये भी नहीं पता है, और कहाँ से आएगा ये भी नहीं पता।
Okay. And what was the problem? noticed? I mean, what was that feeling जिसमें लगा कि नहीं यहाँ जाके देखते हैं? I mean, how you joined first inner parenting? Which program you joined first?
सबसे पहले मैम वो चाइल्ड बिहेवियर का प्रोग्राम था, दैट 7 days दैट आई जॉइन. आफ्टर दैट इट वाज लाइक जस्ट आई वांट टू कंटिन्यू कंटिन्यू कंटिन्यू. अब मतलब आपके साथ ही कंटिन्यू करने लगा. वो मेंटरशिप वाली चीज थी ना, जो पहले कभी पता ही नहीं थी कि अच्छा होती है, ऐसे ही होती है. दैट आई रियलाइज्ड विद यू कि हाँ, मेंटरशिप इज लाइक दिस.
Okay. So as you said, you came with the problem जब हमने बच्चे के लिए किया, right? Because many of the mothers joined to know how can I manage my child's tantrum,
बट
right?
हाँ, इवेंचुअली पता चला कि प्रॉब्लम वहां नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम खुद में ही है. मतलब
We all
we
are
are
doing
struggling with
tantrums.
our own emotions. Yeah, we are struggling with our own emotions only, and we don't know even how to handle that. और उससे बाहर आने के लिए भी कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं. मतलब we are just roaming around that only.
So what is that thing which you liked about the process of working with inner parenting?
मतलब it's so genuine. मतलब it feels like sharing each and every feeling, and the response that I get from you is like, yes, this is the right answer. This is the right way to process it. This is the right way to work on it. And eventually I can like I can see the results also. And in such a short span ना, मतलब I cannot even tell you, इतने थोड़े टाइम पीरियड में वो रिजल्ट्स दिखने शुरू हो जाते हैं. मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि सही डॉक्टर के पास आ गए, सही मेडिसिन मिल रही है.
And what is that one program or module which you think that which really shifted?
Self love, self connection. Earlier I was just completely forget about me कि हाँ मैं exist कर भी
Brain?
रही हूँ.
Then we have gone through a lot of challenges. What is that one thing which you see, one or two things which you really like that this was something really changer for me?
मुझे ना बहुत एंजाइटी हो जाती थी. मैं ओवर थिंक करना स्टार्ट कर देती थी, कुछ भी होता था. और जब उस सर्कल में चली जाती थी ना, तो मतलब वहां से बाहर आना बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता था. नाउ एटलीस्ट आई स्टार्ट रिकॉग्नाइजिंग कि आई एम गोइंग इनटू दैट जोन. सो आई ट्राई टू स्टॉप माई सेल्फ एंड वर्किंग ऑन दैट थिंग.
It has
हेलो.
frozen. Yes, Vishal.
यस
Yes,
यस.
yes. I think it got froze. So, yes, overthinking mode में चले जाते थे, anxiety में चले जाते थे. What is that one thing which you learned, which helped you?
हाँ, मतलब नाउ आई स्टार्टेड रिकॉग्नाइजिंग कि यस आई एम जस्ट रिपीटिंग दिस थॉट्स. एंड बहुत अर्लियरली मैं उसको ना रिकॉग्नाइज करना शुरू कर दिया, सो दैट इट बिकम्स इजी टू वर्क ऑन दैट, टू कंट्रोल द थॉट्स.
To break that vicious cycle of
राइट
overthinking, right?
राइट
You are
राइट
able to
राइट
catch it now at the very early stage where you don't go
राइट.
into entire circle and
दैट
keep on
बिल्कुल
वहां
बिल्कुल
पे turbulence
वो
होता जा रहा है.
हाँ बिल्कुल. और वो मेरे मेरे से ट्रांसफर हो रहा था एवरीवेयर.
So
और
how do
सबसे
you
बड़ी
feel
चीज,
today?
वन
Yeah.
थिंग इज कमिंग, वन थिंग इज ऑल्सो कमिंग.
Mm-hmm.
मतलब इट वाज सो डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू फॉरगिव द पीपल अराउंड मी. और मतलब मैं ना एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकती हूँ. आफ्टर फॉरगिविंग द पीपल अराउंड मी, इट्स मी ओनली हु इज फीलिंग मच बेटर. मतलब मेरे को अपने लिए इतना अच्छा लग रहा है ना कि आई एम इन माई हैप्पी जोन नाउ, एंड आई एम एंजॉयिंग विद माई चाइल्ड मोर. एंड ही कैन ऑल्सो सेंस दैट. ही आस्क्ड, मम्मा आप सबसे प्यार करते हो? हाँ मैं सबसे प्यार करती हूँ. मतलब अर्लियर दैट थॉट वाज कमिंग कि हाउ आई विल फॉरगिव ऑल दिस.
Everybody
बट
around.
नाउ राइट राइट राइट. सो मतलब अब इट इज वेरी काम स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, और बहुत अच्छे से ऑपरेट हो रहा है. मतलब
Right.
अर्लियर
So how do
विशाली.
you feel?
यस, मोर
Right.
काम.
Be open, be authentic. जैसे
हाँ मतलब आई फील काम नाउ. सेकंड, आई लुक फॉर यू. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि every problem has a solution. I just need to find the right way to do that, and with work it will get better 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 better. Third, everything is here. What you think, it will happen. So control your thoughts, everything will be good. So these three are my takeaways.
Thank you so much. We missed on first one because वहां पे maybe I was the one, but there was some disturbance. If you
Yes,
could
yes,
repeat.
yes, yes. Now I stay calm, whatever is happening. मुझे लगता है कि पहले मैं कैसे किस मोड में ऑपरेट कर रही थी ना, डिफेंसिव मोड में. कोई कुछ कहता था, आई जस्ट रिस्पोंड टू दैट. बट नाउ आई टेक अ पॉज, थिंक कि मेरे लिए क्या अच्छा, ओके ओके करके आई विल जस्ट गो बिकॉज दैट इज बेटर फॉर मी नाउ. पहले क्या था, मैं आई ट्राई टू रिस्पोंड, वो
So
मेरे
you
लिए
are
नहीं
able
फिर
to be
रिवर्स हो
calm
रहा
in
था.
your chaos now.
Right.
basically the success has happened. You are in, you are able to find your calmness no matter how
Yes.
much chaos is around
Right.
you.
Right. I
You
don't
are able to
respond
keep
much.
your peace. And that's one big move. That's one big result, I would say, guys. And
हाँ,
really for taking our
मतलब
time
मैं
and
इमेज बिल्कुल बिल्कुल राइट 6 months पहले क्या था और अब क्या है ना कंप्लीटली ऐसा लगता है कि आपकी सर्च में घूम रहे थे और आपने खुद हमें ढूंढ लिया मतलब ऐसे नहीं होता गुरु की सर्च में और
it's not me. I'm just the channel. And if you guys are in this room, you are meant to be in this room. I mean, we all have some kind of soul connection. I don't know what it is, but I'm just the instrument. I'm just the channel.